Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Fiesta. In this video I'll show you pros and cons after 100,000 kilometers. Well-maintained Fiesta can remain dependable beyond 100,000 kilometers, particularly with the simpler naturally aspirated petrol engines. At this mileage, suspension bushes, wheel bearings, clutch components, brake, and air conditioning parts may require attention. EcoBoost cars require additional scrutiny, scrutiny of timing belt and cooling system history. Overall, the Fiesta can be inexpensive to keep running when the correct engine is chosen. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.